Well, we may end up dodging raindrops today, but we're going to start framing this floor down. As you can see, I got my sill boards all lit up and around, and you guys can also see. Now, my boards I put on, I squared them up except for that one back there because that's got to match what the carport is already. However, this board I squared up here, and you guys can kind of see here how out of square this foundation is. But anyway, that's not too important. We're still on there enough that it's going to be fine. This wall and that wall is our load bearing anyway, so we should be all right. And we'll be backfilling this. I'll probably end up pouring a little concrete out here anyway as my way in, so that'll be well supported. But yeah, now all I need to do is get some lumber up here. See, I got my pockets cut out for my beam. I'm going to put a beam in the center, and then all my floor joists will run across and sit on top of the beam for extra support. If need be, I'll put a little pad in the middle here with a support post or two for the extra weight, so that way we can hold the side-by-sides without fear of crashing. So now I gotta hunt up my father-in-law and see if he's got any of my floor joists cut and ready to go. Hey, quit balling on me. Well guys, as you can see, the Hillbilly Garage 2.0 floor is done. First floor is done. Don't forget, we're going 2 stories with this bad boy. So as you can see, we got our flooring all down. This is going to be a pretty good sized garage. We're going to actually end up being a little wider than Hillbilly Garage 1.0. It stops about right here. So we're gaining another extra couple feet, which will be perfect for putting benches. So as you can see here now, I'm getting some 2x6s ready for framing the walls up. And this is when it's going to really start to look like something.
Lift the wall up with Hillbilly!
Ready!
I don't know. Kyle, look up! Watch that.
3,
Watch it go.
2, 1. Ready? For the heave ho.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Heave, how, push! Heave, how,
Where are we going? Shoulder height.
push!
Yeah. Just to get our arms under it.
Yeah.
Ready? 3,
2,
2.
Don't
Sorry.
fall down. I keep sliding down. Is there a way to block it? Is that it?
3,
They won't go. Everything.
2.
Just to get up. Ready?
Woo! Jump it up, no, look at that.
Hey.
Look at the
Hey.
go in.
2. Fire lift. 1.
Lock it up. We're still sliding.
As long as she doesn't fall.
Go, Dad, go, Mom, go, Dad, go, Mom, go, Dad, go, Mom. Woo! Go, Dad, go, Mom.
Well, here she is, Hillbilly Garage 2.0, all framed up. Well, at least the first floor anyway, but technically on the first floor is the Hillbilly Garage. We are going 2 stories. Second story is going to be my office and a workout area, so that doesn't actually count as a Hillbilly Garage. But here she is. So it's going to be a pretty good, nice workspace in here. We got a 8x7 door. I would have liked to have it a little taller, but we got a really good deal on an 8x7 garage door, so we have it. So that's what's going in there. It'll work fine. That gives us plenty of height for the machines we have. And even a little extra room for some bigger tires in the future on the X4. A couple small windows here. I don't want a whole lot of light to shine in because when you're filming, as you guys know from my walls here in the Hillbilly Garage being plastic, that really washes out a lot of the video. So a couple small windows that's easy to cover when I'm filming. Of course, we'll have lots of bright lights in here. And I can put a nice, I kept them up nice and high so I can put a nice long bench the whole way along this wall. Don't know what we'll do here. I'll probably keep an air compressor here on one side and some other tools here. But this should do quite nicely. So the next step for me is to go on up. We're going to frame the second story floor and start framing the second story walls, which will only be 2x4, so they'll frame up a lot easier and be a lot easier to heft. And we're only going 8 feet on those and not 10 feet like we did down here. So I hope you guys are enjoying the Hillbilly Garage 2.0. I thank you very much for supporting me on Patreon and helping Appalachian mountain riders to grow and continue bringing you guys good quality videos. So we'll see you guys on the next one. And hopefully we'll not fall to our doom from great heights. Bye.